sister. She live here before. I'm also coming here because my daughter study in Saint Scholastica's Academy. They are getting nice after how many years? Almost 20, 15?
20.
Yeah. We're crossing the pedestrian. Look at that. Yan, sino yan? Sino yan? Sino yan?
Eh, ito ang ganda na sa Insta, no?
Yeah, that's where Katrina studied. There's a lot of statue here.
Look, laborers statue.
Ah, laborers.
Oh, ito, bicycle driver.
Ah, tricycle driver. And this one, policeman or a military.
Para.
This is a painter. That one there is why they are facing there?
Kasi pag ganun yun.
Ah, this is a teacher.
No.
He's reading a book. Oh. Here at Circle Mall, Marikina Heights.
Gardener.
Ah, gardener. The other one there. So there are different kind of doctor there. Ah,
Tapos siya ng policeman.
policeman. Ah, different kind of profession. That's a gasoline boy. A bake panadero. Oh.
Baker.
Ah.
Ito, meron siya Robin King.
Ah. Nice, no?
Teacher.
They decorate it like this. Very nice.
Reunite with the gang now, and we are here at Ayala Malls in Marikina. Ayala Malls is a major chain of large shopping centers in the Philippines owned by Ayala Land.
Wow, nice that one. Sa uniform. It's small for you, you know?
Inside Ayala Malls Marikina, you will find this word fashion shop, a second-hand shop, or we call it ukay-ukay. They selling a wide variety of men's, women's, and children apparel. You can find everything from casual branded shirt like Giordano to denim jackets and streetwear items. You can find everything from casual branded shirt like Giordano to denim jackets and streetwear items. Bags are the major highlight for the store. Thrifters frequently find a few of everyday thoughts, leather messenger bags, and vintage pieces. High-end designer brands like Coach, Kate Spade, Michael Kors, and YSL occasionally surface, though shoppers are advised to carefully check for authenticity.
It's not working.
After we have lunch with my sister, we heading back home. My house is Antipolo is only 30 minutes away from my sister place. That's my sister in her motorbike.
Mas maganda yung bike niya, oh.
Stop for pedestrians, are they? No, fucking jobs. Same problem.
Hear that? It's raining. Thunder. Ayan, no, si Ate Connie. Tutulungan niya kami.
Ate Connie is the broker when I bought my house in Antipolo.
Ayan, dito na naman kami sa Antipolo. At umuulan ngayon. Nung nakaraan kainitan. Ngayon it's raining now.
Kasi po yung po. Oo, yung action.
Sorting out my my house title.
Because last year, 2021, my house got burned and all the documents that we have are all burned, totally burned. You can watch the video when my house was burning. I put
Ito pala yung
the
sabi
link in
ko.
the description down below. I'm on a
Okay.
process
Ay,
of
pasundan
getting
natin
my
sila.
original title of my house. Aside
Bakit
from
hindi
that,
pa
I
sana
also
umuulan, oh?
sorting
Kaya
out
nga.
my BIR
Ayan, dyan sa
problem.
Victoria
That's
Park.
why I keep coming back here almost every
Buti
day.
nasamahan pa kami ni Ate Connie, oh. Ayan yung the Antipolo Cathedral. And here is we're going to McDonald's.
The time now is nearly 2 p.m. and we're really hungry. The next day, we've been to BIR office and City Hall office in Antipolo City again.
Ay, wait. Ami, dito sa Antipolo, sa tabi ng parking. Duncan! Shh! Hindi niya ako nakikita. Ito, tupig ba to?
Ayan po, apo.
Hindi na mainit. Ito na lang, tsaka, ito oh. Wala nang bawas yan.
Mura na yung 150.
Oh. Cashew nuts.
Kasoy.
Ano pa lang?
100 lang, malaking baso.
Malaking baso, 100. You like cashew nut? 100 pesos like this. You like cashew nuts?
You want to taste it?
100 pesos that glass.
Adobo. Roasted.
Adobo, roasted.
Roasted. You want taste?
One at a time. What was
Also,
that one then? You just gave
this
me?
one.
Got walnut.
Yeah. Oh, how is it? It's very strong? Strong?
High small roasted there.
A little.
Plain.
Plain, yeah.
That is plain. How is it? Which is better? Me.
Well, you feel, yeah, you feel. should
That
feel
one.
like
Okay.
the
Yeah, ito, sige, isa.
Isa lang? Ay, hindi.
Isang baso.
Kulang apat na baso to.
Ito, magkano to?
300 plain.
Ito lang. This one only. Ayan. 100 daw yung one glass of this. Gusto niyan. Adobo. Ang dami ka na babayaran. May dagdag pa yan, ate.
Maraming dagdag, ma'am. Basta kayo. Basta ipopromote ni akin.
Of course. Ayan no, si Ate Ami. Oh,
Hello,
Ate
ma'am.
Ami. Dito kay bibili sa malapit sa parking lot. Tapos, andun yung munisipyo. At andun yung simbahan.
Sabi ng parking. Basta tandaan nyo, ayun, Ami.
Oh, ayan, Ami. What else, Duncan? What else? Kasi na, I'm gonna buy also the coconut. Okay na? Okay. Bayad na. Maraming nagtitinda here. There's a lot of people selling native food here.
Ito, ma'am.
Salamat po.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, thank you.
Shout out. Bye-bye. Let's try yung I bought in Antipolo, the suman and the coconut jam. Let's try it. This is native in Antipolo. Look. It's a glutinous rice and wrapped in coconut leaves. And this is the coconut jam. Product of Antipolo. You want to try Henry Pot? This is how to eat it. It's so thick, oh. Like that. There, ma. Sarap. Yumness. Very rich yung coconut. Coconut jam.
May photo bomber.
Ba't walang lyrics? Ngayon kanyaan mo. Sarap. And also nice with the pandesal. Let's also try. So, nandan na coconut jam. Like that. Bakit din? This is homemade. Not a factory made. Alright. I have a background music. Sana dyan makapiright.
Thanks for watching. Hasta luego. See you on my next video.